A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Patience is a virtue. Failure is the mother of success. He who asks a question is a fool for 5 minutes. He who does not ask remains a fool forever. A wise man adapts himself to circumstances, as water shapes itself to the vessel that contains it. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Do not fear going forward slowly, fear only to stand still. A diamond with a flaw is worth more than a pebble without imperfections. When the winds of change blow, some people build walls, while others build windmills. The best revenge is not to be like your enemy. A book holds a house of gold. Learning is a treasure that will follow its owner everywhere. If you want happiness for an hour, take a nap. If you want happiness for a day, go fishing. If you want happiness for a year, inherit a fortune. If you want happiness for a lifetime, help others. A clear conscience is a soft pillow.